start from exactly this part, from where, which part we concluded last day. Antonio, so please, my lord, the duke, and all the court, to quit the fine for one half of his good. So it is a request, a general request made by Antonio. To quit, here quit means quit the fine. Which fine? That half portion will be taken by Venice and half to be taken by Antonio, the wealth of Shylock. So it is talked about this half. So if you need to quit the fine also from the half of his good, half of his wealth, I am content, I am satisfied, I am ready. That if the state of Venice takes or releases him from the penalty and even does not want to take half of his property, but there is a condition, so he will let me have the other half in use. So remaining half I will use. To render it upon his death to his gentleman, lady stole his daughter. So remaining half to be given, you should allow to give to his son-in-law, that is Lorenzo. So if the state of Venice cancels that half portion of fine and returns him with his property, then Antonio is providing first condition, that is he needs to give his half part to Lorenzo. Two things provided more. For this favor, he presently become a Christian. So, first of all, he becomes a Christian. And second one, he needs to do a record of gift, or you can see a bond or an agreement. What agreement to be made? Here in this court, of all he dies, he needs to make the agreement in the court that after his death, possessed will go to whom? Unto his son Lorenzo and his daughter. Will go to Lorenzo and his daughter. Duke, he shall do this, or else I do recant, means cancel. Or you can withdraw, you can also write. The pardon that I late pronounced here. Pronounced means announced here. Portia, are you agreed? Jew, what do you say? Shylock, I am contented. I am agreed to the proposal. Portia, clerk, draw a deed of gift. Draw means arrange or prepare an agreement. Shylock, I pray you, give me leave to go from hence. I request you, give me, leave means give me permission to go from here. Poor Shylock does not want to stay here anymore. He is already shaken and broken fully. I am not well. Send the deed after me, and I will sign it. Send the bond after me, and I will surely sign it. Shylock, Duke, get you gone, but do it. So you can go, but you must do it. Gratian, in christening shall you have 2 godfathers. In order to baptize someone, in order to make someone Christian, whether it is a newborn baby or someone from non-Christian to Christian, if wants to get transformed, then what is needed? 2 godfathers are needed. There should be 2 priests to sparkle holy water and make that person Christian. But what he wants, had I been the judge, if I were the judge, you should have 10 more. Then Shylock will have 10 more godfathers, more 12 godfathers, to bring you to the gallows, not to the font. So 12 godfathers are needed in order to hang a person, to provide death punishment. So he is saying that if he were the judge, what he would do, instead of arranging 2 godfathers to baptize him, he would arrange 12 godfathers to give him death punishment. So here, gallows means the place of execution, while font means the holy water. So if he were the judge, he would do something else. Exit Shylock. Duke, sir, I entreat you home with me to dinner. I request you to come to my house for dinner. Portia, I humbly do desire your grace of pardon. I gently want to have your pardon. Your quality of pardoning someone is great, so kindly pardon me. I must away this night towards Padua. I must go tonight, move tonight straight to Padua. Actually, she will go to Belmont before Antonio and Bassanio and Gratiano. And is meet I presently set forth, and it is urgent. It is meet means it is urgent that I immediately start the journey. Duke, I'm sorry that your leisure serves you not. I'm sorry that you have no free time to be with us. You have no free time. Antonio, gratify this gentleman. Gratify means pay respect or reward this gentleman. For in my mind you are much bound to him. In my mind means according to me you are fully obliged to him because they helped you too much. Exeunt Duke and his train. Left the place Duke and his followers. Bassanio, most worthy gentleman, I am and my friend have by your wisdom been this day acquitted. Most valuable gentleman, I and my friend did what, due to your wisdom, got released of grievous penalties, of great penalties. In lieu hereof, in return of what, since you saved us, so in return of that, 3,000 ducats due unto the Jew, we freely cope your courteous pen withal. So that 3,000 ducats, which is due unto the Jew, means which was supposed to be given to the Jew, paid to the Jew, we freely cope your courteous pen withal. We serve you. We freely serve you that 3,000 ducats in order to pay the respect for the pain you have taken for coming here in Venice to fight with Shylock and to release us. So there is a kind of fee or remuneration that we want to give you. Antonio, and stay indebted, will always stay very much obliged to you forever and above, for all the time, in love and service to you evermore. And what will do? Will always have a great heart full of love for you, since you responded to the Duke's call and service you provided by saving us forever. So we'll always remain indebted to you. Portia, he is well paid that is well satisfied. A person who is satisfied with his work is well paid, so no need to pay him twice. And I, delivering you, am satisfied. I am very much satisfied, as I have saved you. And therefore do consider myself well paid. So I am well paid. My mind was never yet more mercenary. My mind has never been economical. I pray you know me when we meet again. When we meet again, let us have more discussion and you should know about me. I wish you well. I wish you good luck and take my leave. And goodbye too. So we'll meet again. So this portion is done. This is nothing but this is paving the path for Act 5 Scene 1, that is anticlimax. Though it is not in your syllabus Act 5 Scene 1, but it is nothing but paving the path for the anticlimax. So here we conclude the video. Next video, within 2-3 videos, we complete the remaining part. Thank you.